polynomials that are arranged from greatest to least degree. Are written in standard form. And here are some examples. We have x to the 3 times x to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 1 minus 1. You can see the powers are all going from greatest to least. Power of 2, power of 1, and power of 0. We have negative 2 times w to the power of 3 minus 7 times w to the power of 2, I believe this is what it says, plus 9 times w. And you can see here we also go from power which is greatest to least. So we have power of 3, power of 2, and power of 1. Another aspect here, another vocabulary word, is the coefficient of the first term is called the leading coefficient. The leading coefficient. Right, so once you have a polynomial in standard form, the leading coefficient is the coefficient of the first term. So let's go ahead and look at a couple of practice problems here. Write the polynomial in standard form and then identify the leading coefficient. So we can see here we have 8 minus 2 times x to the 2 plus 4 times x to the 4 minus 3x. The term with the highest power goes first in standard form, so that would be the 4x to the 4th. And then we have the negative 2 times x squared, so minus 2 times x squared. And then we have the minus 3x, which is has a power of 1, and then we have the positive 8. And here the leading coefficient, once it's put into standard form, is the coefficient of the first term, the 4 times x to the 4th. So the leading coefficient would be a 4, or the constant in front of the variable. Right? Let's do the same here. We have it written in standard form. We're going to choose the term with the highest power, which is this one here. So I'm going to start with that, negative 7y to the 6. And then we have plus 5y to the 3. Then we have a minus 2y squared. And now it's which one has the highest power, right? Well, they both have the same power. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the term with the variable first. So I'm going to say plus y plus 10. Right. And then we're going to go ahead and put our leading coefficient. That's a number in front of the first term, so that's a negative 7.